Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFT Post, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is a wig install featuring Diva Tress. Diva Tress was so kind to send me their Sensationnel WhatLace unit in the style Zelena, and this is the look I decided to do for you guys today. Half up, half down side bang. It's giving Ariana if she was urban. I'm gonna keep you guys waiting, so if you guys want to know what I did to create this look, then keep on watching. Please excuse the background noise, that is just the wind, but hopefully the music will cover it up. I just wanted to show you guys the color Flamboyage Auburn, and that little highlight over here, that's my favorite part. So this wig comes with 3 clips, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and these straps are adjustable. It is a 13x6 compact lace front, and she's also pre-plucked. Let's get started. I'm just going to take the adjustments off because I don't have a big head, but I don't know how to cornrow, so my hair is not necessarily as flat as it can be. So I'm just going to take off the adjustments to give me a little more wiggle room. So the duo I'm going to be using to lay this hair down is going to be some Got2b styling gel and the Head Hairspray. This is the first time I'm using Head, but I hear a lot of good things about it. I apologize. I was trying to see if I could zoom in for you guys so you can see the lace cutting technique that I use, but I did something to my camera that I don't really know what I did, so we are just going to start cutting. Okay, so now that I've cut the lace, I'm just going to be doing a side part. Today's look, I'm feeling for a side part pony with a little bang. So I was running a few errands and I didn't have time to complete the half up half down. A lot of time has elapsed since the previous clip, but as you can see, my unit still held it down. Anyways, we're going to continue styling the hair. Okay, so let's get into the opinion part since we're done with styling. So if you're like me and you don't know how to pluck hair, then this wig is for you because it came pre-plucked. I've tried to pluck my own lace before and I've created bald spots. So I'm very thankful that this unit came pre-plucked so I didn't have to, you know, mess up a good thing. It also came with baby hairs, but I decided to take my own direction and added baby hairs using the hair in the front. In terms of heat, it did take heat well. I used up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit on my straightener and about 15 degrees Fahrenheit on my hot comb. In terms of styling, there was nothing I could say that went wrong. One thing I was worried about while filming that I didn't share while I was installing the hair was I was afraid that it might have been a little too tight, too small. I didn't think it would be a true 13 bar or like a true ear to ear, which is why you probably see me push the hair forward because I didn't want to give forehead. I didn't want my wig cap to show. I didn't want the hair to be too pushed back, but in the end it did work. So I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much to Touchedbyprecious for sending me out this unit, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.